Officer.
Hands down, maggots.
Welcome, noobs, to Top Gun training. My name is Maverick. This is Goose. Hi. That's Iceman.
Do you think you're good enough for this? Do ya? Do you know how many people we've lost this year? Do ya? Sully, James Bond, Mr. Mouse, Santa. And most of all, Coach, ugly mustache.
Wait, what did we do?
You know what you did.
I don't know what we did.
You know what you did.
Iceman, what's cooler than being cool?
Ice cold.
I can't hear you. What's cooler than being cool?
Ice cold.
Alright, cut it out, stop it. Cut it out. Iceman, just remember.
Goose, brava.
So back up. Are you guys our classmates or we're your instructors, maggot? Now let's go. Class is gonna start soon and we do not want to be late.
Get up.
Sorry.
Sit down, mister.
No, not even.
Now in front of you. So, for this training, I'm gonna have to ask a special person to come in to help you guys out.
Couldn't help but tell you guys were checking out the guns. Well, looking's free, but touching's gonna cost you.
How much?
Rudolph here is the best paper airplane designer in the world. He is heralded from here all the way to Nova Scotia and back to Ireland. You know, there's actually a reason why Santa's sleigh can make it all the way around the world in just one night.
Hold up. I thought this was the most prestigious Air Force Academy of all time. Of all time! So, I mean, this is fine and all, but I don't really see what this has to do with our training. So.
Alright, so you're actually going to need to stop talking.
No, hold on, what I don't understand, this man is not a man, he is a deer. And we're learning to fly aeroplanes. And I'm not making the connection. So...
1, don't call me a deer. 2, don't call me Shirley.
Never again.
3, we're running out of time.
Sitting down, sir.
Best plane structure wins. Commence construction.